with at-home learning. We're going to talk about something about spring. Lots of things are happening in spring. Lots of different changes are going to be happening with plants and animals. And these changes are called life cycles. Take a look at this. Life cycles. Life cycles. So our science is going to do with life cycles. The life cycle that we're going to talk about today, boys and girls, is all about seeds, all about a plant. How do we get a plant? Well, my story is called Seeds Grow, and it's by Angela Shelf Medeiros and illustrated by Jill Dubbin. Turn your listening ears on. Seeds grow. We plant some seeds in the ground. We sprinkle water all around. Soon roots push out. There they are, coming down. And then down, down, down. They're growing down. Why are they growing down? Are they searching for something? Little shoots now come out. They're starting to come up out of the ground. Then the shoots start to sprout. It's growing up. Little leaves are coming. Came out of the seed. The leaves unfold one by one. Seeds, leaves, bud, sun. These water, sunflowers, rain. The buds grow up toward the sun. The petals unfold and turn to gold. What have they made? Flower. Rain showers water the flowers. We've been talking about the rain. Bees buzz here and there. Sweet smells fill the air. Pretty sunflowers are everywhere. Now, let's think back at our story. Let's think about plants. What can plants do? Some plants make flowers. Some plants make food. Some plants grow like trees and can make shade for us. So plants can do a lot of things. What do plants have? Plants have roots. Plants have flowers. Plants have seeds. Plants have lots of different things, right, boys and girls? Yes. Plants are good for us because they grow. They can make food for us. Plants can, plants have, and plants are. I want you to think about those things, and you have an activity in your packet for you to complete with your mom or dad. But let's talk for a minute about seeds. Did you know that if you plant different kinds of seeds, you will grow different kinds of things? So if you plant a watermelon seed, what will you grow? Or if you plant a pea seed, what will you grow? What about a carrot seed? what will you grow? That's right, so you choose your seeds by what you want to grow. Now, inside of your bag of materials, you had a little pack of seeds and you had a cup like this. Go ahead and dump your seeds out in front of you and sort them. And look at them and tell me, are they all the same size or all the same shape? No, every seed looks different because every plant that grows have the same parts, but they look different. So see if you can find this round seed in your bag. What do you think this round seed will grow when you plant it? Or what about this brown seed? What do you think this brown seed will grow when you plant it? And there are all different colors and shapes of seeds inside of your bag. And I want you to think about what those seeds will grow. Now, put your eyes back on Miss Miranda for a minute. I found some plants and I wanted you just to show you the parts. So take a look here at my picture. This says life cycle of a plant. First, we plant the seed. That is why it's called a life cycle, because it has to happen in the same order. We can't get a plant, boys and girls, without putting the seed in the soil first. So first we plant the seed, then what happens after the seed? A little tiny, do you see that little tiny thing right there coming up from the top and from the bottom? That's called a sprout. Sprout. So we have seed and we have sprout. That happens second. What happens third is called a seedling. A seedling. So the roots are starting to grow. The plant is starting to come up. Then once the leaves open up, you have your plant. So we have first, second, third, fourth. Now, do you see these big long roots, boys and girls? The roots keep growing and they're growing down and out into the soil and they're searching for something. Plants need things to grow. Plants need water, plants need sun, and plants need air. Do you remember that poem that we read? Yes. Then, once the roots grow, up comes the stem and out opens these leaves. These leaves are reaching out. What are they reaching for? Big bright thing in the sky, the sun. They're reaching for the sun because the leaves use the sun to make food for the plant. Yes, so take a look. Then I have another plant here. Its stem is a little taller, has some leaves, and its root grows down. And one more. This plant has leaves, also has flowers, and then down, grow the what? The roots. There are different types of roots. Some roots we can eat. These roots on plants like this are looking for water to help the plant grow. So let's see. We have first, second, third, and fourth. That's right. Now, when you plant your seed, so if I planted carrots in the ground, I planted my carrot seed in the ground, first it would be the seed, then the sprout, then the seedling, and then the plant. And this little stick that Miss Miranda has is kind of cool. I would watch my plant grow. So I could plant my seed and then watch how tall my plant grew. Now what you can do if you don't have one of these at home is in your materials bag you have a ruler. You can go outside and measure how tall your plants are. So let's look right here. How tall is this plant? It's almost 7 inches tall. That's right. So there's lots of things, boys and girls, you can do outside when we're talking about the life cycle of a plant. First, second, third, fourth. So, the rest of the 2 weeks that we have in our packet of science learning, we're going to be talking about more about the seeds. We're going to plant some seeds. We're going to talk about parts of the plant, parts of the flower, and all those wonderful things. Now, your independent lesson today is to pull out your packet, and I want you to find where it says plants can, have, and are, okay? Plants can, have, and are. And I want you to go in and write or draw and write in the boxes under those 3 things and tell me what we learned about these plants today. What can you tell me that we've learned today?